Hi, in this video we'd like to once again go through what exactly is our HG vaccine that we are promoting here at Antai Hospital for the treatment of your Hyperemesis Gravidarum. Now, common consensus is that HG, the very severe and rare pregnancy disorder, has no known cure, no known treatment. But here at Antai Hospital, we do have one, which is our HG vaccine. So what is it and what can you expect when you receive this treatment? So Hyperemesis Gravidarum, in our years of experience, we've already treated up to tens of thousands of patients over the last 2 decades. We realized that it's caused by the presence of abnormal H2 receptors that are binding with the HCG pregnancy hormone. Now this can explain several things as to why it only occurs amongst a certain group of women and why only it occurs during pregnancy and why it occurs in each pregnancy. Sometimes only for a few months, sometimes throughout the entire pregnancy period. And why is it so complex? Why does it carry so many severe, debilitating symptoms? And why is it constantly occurring, persistent, unlike your normal, typical morning sickness? So, with our understanding and our research, we have identified that the cause is due to the presence of these abnormal receptors. Now, why do they have these in the first place? It's hard to explain. It could be a genetic factor. However, it's not entirely a genetic factor because they do have a family history, but it's not guaranteed to inherit into your children or into your grandchildren. So it's very difficult to say why they develop these, but usually HG patients tend to have a family history. Could be generational or intergenerational, and could be some environmental factors. There could be other risk factors that we are still cannot confirm, but we do have conclusive evidence that this is in fact caused by these receptors. So what is our HG vaccine then? Our HG vaccine is also known as our HCG desensitizer, and it is a very effective receptor blocker, a receptor antagonist, if you may. So what it does is that it competes with HCG because it's very similar in size and function in protein chains with HCG. So it can actually compete with these abnormal receptors, and these abnormal receptors, they are especially sensitive to HCG. So when taken correctly and administered via injection, patients usually observe that their symptoms quickly subside. Why is this? Is that because these receptors are blocked by something that's neutral, that will not generate any type of function or signals that will send out to all these glands and organs, parts of your nervous system to actually carry out all the symptoms. Once they are blocked, it's effectively like a locked chain. This chain is now no longer functional. And what's even better is that it doesn't affect your pregnancy or the mother in any type of way. There is no adverse outcome. The only adverse outcome that you can expect is if you don't receive treatment, because many of these women, especially severe HG patients, they tend to lose a lot of weight, and their baby tends to be prematurely delivered, and they are usually small in gestational size and have some birth defects. In some rare cases, the mothers suffer so much that they have to go for induced abortions, or they even have caused some maternal death. This treatment, not only is it very effective, it's highly easy to administer it yourself via injection. You can either do it at home when we deliver this treatment to you, or if you are unsure, if you're a bit anxious, worried, you can come to us and our nurses and doctors will actually help you manage this condition to the best, where you can actually discharge from the hospital with all your symptoms eliminated. We will, however, give you some nutritional supplements and some oral medication to support your HG condition in case if it arises in the remainder of your pregnancy. What you can expect is that you can fully recover within a week, and your appetite will be restored, sleep will be regained, and all the symptoms, the nastiness of HG can be eliminated, and you can secure a healthy pregnancy, which is the most important thing. Furthermore, you can also alleviate all the stress that you're under in, the anxiety and trauma. You don't have to suffer so much anymore, and you can actually enjoy your pregnancy this time. This is our word and guarantee here at Antai Hospital. If you do not recover from your Hyperemesis Gravidarum after receiving our treatment, comes with a full contractual agreement, full refund guarantee to you. This is our word and assurance on how effective it is, and we look forward to treating you. And please do share this video to all of those who need help during their HG pregnancy. Let them know that there is in fact a treatment available at Antai Hospital. Please stay tuned to the next one and leave me a comment down below.